Hello and welcome to this week's edition of Ask the Gov. Let's begin. Our first question comes from Wesley via Facebook, and Wesley asks, what is Iowa doing to combat Obamacare? The state of Iowa was one of 26 states that joined in the lawsuit. Unfortunately, the Supreme Court upheld Obamacare. However, they did indicate that states do not have to, in order to receive their Medicaid dollars, expand the Medicaid population as Obamacare had mandated, and we are looking at alternatives. We've already set the goal. We want to be the healthiest state in the nation. We think that Iowa should not buy a one-size-fits-all federal mandate like Obamacare that's unaffordable and unsustainable. We're looking at instead in getting people to take ownership of their own health and doing what we can as a state to work with the private sector and look at how we can help people to help themselves in terms of setting goals to reduce some of the challenges they have and make sure that people are focusing on nutrition, exercise, not using tobacco products and things like that can make a real difference. And so we're looking at the goal of making Iowa the healthiest state and working with a public and private sector partnership to achieve that. We think that's a much better solution than the government takeover of the healthcare system that Obama has advocated, and which we know we can't afford and it won't be sustained for the long term. Our second question comes from Mike via Facebook. Mike says, what are your plans to attract manufacturing back to Iowa? I've set a very ambitious goal of 200,000 jobs, and we've been working to reduce the regulatory and tax burdens, especially the commercial and industrial property tax, to make Iowa more attractive. We also have a great job training program, and we're actively working to help people upgrade and improve their skills for the jobs that are becoming available in manufacturing. We think that Iowa, again, can be a strong leader in manufacturing. Companies like John Deere expanding and growing in our state, and new companies like CJ from South Korea have chosen Iowa as a good place to locate. Our third question is one asked on Twitter this week as part of CNBC's Top States Twitter Battle. The question is, what's your favorite thing about Iowa? The people. We have the friendliest, most enjoyable folks to interact with that there are anywhere in the world. So what I love about Iowa is the wonderful, friendly, caring, hardworking people that we have in this great state.